to help thousands of migrants and human trafficking victims stranded at sea. The crisis began earlier this month when Thailand disrupted long-standing human trafficking networks that targeted the Rohingya minority. Thousands have been rescued or made their way to shores of Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. Others have been turned away. Peter McCauley is a Southeast Asia analyst at the Australian National University.
There's a large group, some hundreds of thousands, perhaps a million people, refugees. The figures are not entirely clear, and they're a combination of people from short term from Bangladesh who crossed the border, and also longer term people, the Rohingyas, who have been in Burma or Myanmar, as we call it, for in some cases for a generation or so. Now there are these large camps on the border between the two countries, and they're really not accepted by either country.
On Wednesday, Indonesian officials said nearly 400 migrants, many of whom were weak and starving, were rescued by local fishermen and taken ashore in the eastern province of Aceh. Macedonia's Prime Minister Nikolai Gruevski and the main opposition leader have begun European Union-mediated talks, trying to find a solution to their political crisis. Pressure on Mr. Gruevski has been building since a wiretapping scandal broke, prompting questions over how tightly the government controls the media, judges, and elections. Thorbjørn Jagland is Secretary General of the Council of Europe.
It is, of course, strong need for impartial, trustful investigation on what has happened with regard to the claims that there has been massive wiretapping of citizens of Macedonia. One has to find the truth there in order to move forward.
The United States has called on all sides to respect the rights of freedom of assembly and peaceful protest and refrain from violence. U.S. officials have charged 6 Chinese nationals with economic espionage and theft of trade secrets for allegedly accessing secret U.S. technologies and sharing them with universities and companies controlled by the Chinese government. Jeff Rathke is a U.S. spokesman.
The United States is committed to protecting U.S. companies' trade secrets and their proprietary business information from theft. And this is an important issue for the United States.
The case allegedly involves the stealing from 2 U.S. technology firms, Skyworks Solutions and Avago Technologies, makers of radio frequency filters used in cell phones and other mobile devices. At least 8 killed when a suicide bomber blew himself up outside a livestock market in Garkida in Nigeria's northeast Adamawa state. This is the latest attack about 165 kilometers north of Yola, followed a similar assault on the village in the state's Madagali district in which 3 were killed and several women were kidnapped. I'm Victor Beattie, VOA News.
Report. Doi. Foodland Supermarkets. Think of food, think of Foodland. คิดถึงอาหารคิดถึง Foodland ศูนย์สาขาเปิดตลอด 24